Okay, this is the Cottage Press block print brushes to use with Procreate. As you can see, there's 14, and you can see by the little image there's a little bit of a characteristic of what each brush does. The following video will show you how some of the brushes are used to create 5 stamp layers of an apple, and you can see how they're used and how they're designed to be used together. And at the end of the video, you'll see how they actually work in colour once the stamps have been created. Brush number 1, Painted Block. Turn canvas as you stamp to make a random print effect. Number 5, Carved Chisel. Use this brush as an eraser. Brush number 13, Suction Lift. Keep pen down on canvas until you finish the entire drawing to achieve a lovely random edge. Brush number 10, Worn Edge. Keep the pen down on the canvas at all times while drawing and only lift when you've finished. You can now make your own stamps and create colourful designs.